Hi everyone and welcome back to Nenagh Library. My name is Breda. Today we're going to make a St. Brigid's cross from wreaths, which I picked earlier. Brigid's crosses are associated with Brigid of Kildare, one of the patron saints of Ireland. The crosses are traditionally made in Ireland on Lá Éile Breda, St. Brigid's Day, on the 1st of February, which was formerly the Old Irish Spring Festival of Imbolc. Many rituals are associated with the making of the crosses. Traditionally, they were set over doorways and windows to protect the home from any kind of harm. So here we go. We'll go with a clock technique, 12-3-6-9. So you get your rushes about 40 centimetres long and the same thickness. You get a good one to start off with, and I'll hold it straight up 12-6. So you get a second rush and you always get your finger and your thumb and you squeeze them in the middle here like this. And now you bend this reed across to the 3 o'clock position. And now get another reed and fold it to the 6 o'clock position. And now that we have 6 done, let's go across to the 9 o'clock position. Now that you have your cross, you need to turn it. We've the hardest part done. From now on, it's going to be really easy. From here onwards, all the rushes are going to be 9 o'clock and turn up till the end. To finish off your cross, pull down this reed. Push both ends of your last reed in through the gap you made. And now all you need to do is tie it. You can use elastic or you can use wool or whatever you may have. And now you can even off the ends by using a scissors.